Okay, this is Business Studies Level 3, AS 91379, Introduction to Quality Management. Excuse me. Okay, so quality management, it's a very important concept in business and management of a business, as it's a hugely important area because largely quality is one of those things that differentiates a business from its competitors. It is quite hard to define. However, a good definition, as you can see on the screen, is quality is about meeting the needs and expectations of customers, and those specific stakeholders are the key ones that sets the requirements and really the benchmark and the levels of quality that the company is striving for. So, customers' interpretation of quality. Now, sometimes this is quite a tricky area because quality can be very subjective. That is very open to people's opinions, and it's very linked to customers' tastes and preferences. And this is really is where the function of marketing and market research comes into to find out exactly what are those tastes and preferences and exactly what is the customer's expectation of quality. So, however, what the general rule of thumb is that the customers want quality that is appropriate to the price that they are prepared to pay. Really, what they're looking for is a fair price. And also, alongside that is also the level of competition in the market. Customers will recognize that if there is less competition in the market, they will be expecting to pay higher prices and vice versa. However, the sort of aspects of quality the customers do look for, as you can see here, good design, good aesthetics is a good word, good design, looks and style, functionality. Yep, it does the job, it does exactly what it's described that it will be able to do. It's reliable, it won't be breaking down. Okay, it's consistent. So those brands that brand that you buy, you're consistently receiving the same level of quality for each of its products within its product portfolio. It's durable. It'll last as long as it should. It has durability. You won't be breaking down after 5 minutes. There will also be a good after sales service, and added to that, there will also be an overall value for money for this quality in the brand or the product. So value for money, as we mentioned before, is a very key concept, and it is especially important because very often, as I say, there are lots of different rooms for products to differentiate in competitive markets, particularly on levels of quality. But each time, this level of quality has got to represent value for money. So, for example, that is why companies such as Rolls-Royce can get away with charging such a high premium price because it's recognized that the quality of that product is that high. Okay. So again, the customers must be satisfied that the price fairly reflects the quality. Okay, so this whole idea of fair pricing. So as you can see, some products and services are marketed as basic, and within that, they are very simple in that they do the job. There are no extra features. There's no further benefits. And examples of this would be such as Jetstar Airways, where you literally just pay for your seat on the flight, and anything further you might need to pay. It's seen as a stripped back. Lower price offering, and with that, customers accept that the quality may be reduced. Likewise, Pack and Save supermarkets, their whole idea is that they are the cheapest supermarket in New Zealand. And of course, customers will recognise that one of the reasons that they can get away with the cheaper prices is because quality is reduced. However, that being said, overall these brands still give good value for money. Okay, and even though they are still deemed as being low quality. So for the company, good design is also fundamental so that the product can be produced efficiently, reliably, and at the lowest possible cost. So really, the quality within the production process of the company is also very important. Okay, so if you, as a company, if they can maintain high levels of quality, this should hopefully be part of the path towards achieving objectives and success. So, if quality is maintained, hopefully it should ensure customer loyalty. It should also spread the reputation for that quality, And also as well, the retailers might want to continue ordering the product, stocking the product, because they can see that the customers are prepared to demand it because of that link with quality. Um, if it's also seen as better value for money, it possibly can command a premium price and will become more price inelastic. Price inelastic means that uh, the demand won't be affected if prices go up. Fewer returns and replacements will lead to reduced costs, and therefore also as well quality and the reputation of quality is also a way of attracting and retaining good staff. Okay, so all of these things, aside from the actual quality of the product or the service itself, can also support the marketing in a business. Firms like to maintain their reputation for quality, and this is very fragile because it can be very easily damaged by any sort of news article or feature that suggests the opposite. Thank you very much.